to upload longer videos on Instagram Reels. Now that's I'm going to show you guys in this quick video, so let's get started right away. Now the very first thing you have to do is you have to in the firstly in the top right corner you can see the add button. Then you have to click on the add, and here you can see the add reels. And when you click on the add reels, here is the option of the length of the video, 50 seconds or 30 seconds. And you can't uh, upload longer videos than after 30 seconds, so you have to upload the videos only on the 50 seconds or 30 seconds, so that it. And you can change this 15. You can upload longer videos by clicking on the 50 seconds, and now uh, you can upload the videos to 30 seconds. And when you do these settings for the longer videos, then you have to click on the record, and now you can record the videos of 30 seconds, and now you can upload on the reels. And after that, so that's it. If you found this video helpful, I appreciate if you subscribe to my channel, like on this video, and comment below that it works. Have a good day.